Hi guys, welcome to vesnasstv Home. For today's episode, we are decorating my mantle for the fall. So I'm starting off with this as my centerpiece, but as you'll see near the end of the video, I will not be using this at the end, but I like to use that in my decor. I love the height of it and everything. It just didn't work right now. So I wound up using it in another part of my decor, but I shifted around, just depends. I switched out my mantle, so this one is a little bit higher, so some certain things weren't working. Then I have this hula hoop skirt from the Dollar Tree, which I thought kind of looked like hay a little bit, so I wanted to incorporate that. To me, fall is all sorts of colors and all sorts of different different materials, not materials, but different things in nature. So you have things that are dried out, you have things that are still green, you have things that are turning orange, you have all sorts of things. So I wanted to kind of incorporate all of these colors into this corner. And so I'm just layering different Dollar Tree picks and Dollar Tree flowers and adding them into this corner. So to top it off, I just add this pumpkin that I repainted a few years ago, about 2 years ago now, and I just I like to use it because to me it's a little bit Halloweeny, a little bit fall-y, and like all the things. So that's what I added to this corner here, and I think that it is done. And then for the opposite corner, I have this vase from Dollarama, which I painted a few years ago again, and I've added more Dollar Tree picks in there. And again, lots of oranges and browns and blacks and all sorts of colors because like I said, that's to me that's what I see in nature in the fall, so I wanted to incorporate this here. And again, I like to kind of have this is the first year that I'm doing the opposite things in the corners. Usually I like to have, if I have three things on one side, I'll have three things on the other. And if I have a tall thing on one side, I'll have a tall thing on the other. But this time I'm trying something different and I really did like it. So, maybe I'll get into that habit. But I've already decorated now for Halloween and I definitely didn't do the same thing for Halloween, but I'll show you that video next week or maybe even later on this week. I haven't decided yet. I still have to show you guys my tray. So anyway, I play around with what I want to add there, and I think that this is how I'm going to complete the look. I added this Farmer's Fresh little tin with some pumpkins in it. Then I added the velvet pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and I added some more pumpkins and some more florals. And like I said, I really did like this look, but that pumpkin sign was throwing me off, so I needed to replace it with something else. Let me know if you actually like that look better than what you'll see just near the end of the video here. But this is kind of what I had, and I had that for a few days, and then it was just really bugging me, so I wound up changing it, as I said, and I wanted to see if something else would work. I actually have a mirror that I wanted to use, but I can't find it. After our renovations, I can't find it. So I wound up using this wreath and just like a little bit of green just to make it look a little bit taller. And I think that this look is definitely better than the other one. But let me know what you think. I also raised those flowers up. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and let me know what you think and stay tuned for my tier tray video, which I will try to get out for Wednesday, and then I'll do the home tour for Friday, and then hopefully Sunday I will show you my home tour of Halloween. Actually, I'll do my trays first and then I'll do my home tour of Halloween next week. All right, thanks for stopping by. Have a great day and stay safe, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and leave me a comment. Thank you.